Installing and activating your VELL eSIM on iPhone is quick and simple. You are able to install an eSIM automatically, install by using a QR code, and install manually. After purchasing a VELL eSIM, you can install your eSIM instantly. First, tap Activate eSIM. You'll be directly prompted to Cellular Setting. Tap Activate. Continue. Select Abroad. Select Data Only. Your eSIM is now ready to use. Now, if you want to install your eSIM by using QR code, go to Mobile Setting and select Add eSIM. Select Use QR code. Scan QR code. The installation process will start when you scan the QR code. Your eSIM is now ready to use. If you want to install your eSIM manually, go to Mobile Setting on your iPhone and tap Add eSIM. Use QR code and scan QR code. Tap Enter details manually. Now, go to VELL app and open your purchased eSIM. Copy SMDP address from VELL app and paste it to your setting. Same as the activation code. Click Next. You can now start to activate your eSIM. Your eSIM is now ready to use. Tap Done or return to your setting. You have the option to rename your eSIM to avoid confusion. Tap your new eSIM. Edit custom label. Let's name it as VELL eSIM. This will remain off until you are ready to travel. Once you arrived, turn on your eSIM in your cellular setting. You can turn off your primary SIM to avoid roaming charges. Then, turn on your data roaming under VELL eSIM. Then, go back to your mobile data setting to select VELL eSIM as primary data. Your VELL eSIM is now active. Running low on data? Just top up in seconds in our app and stay connected.